The table that comes with our embassy is a little big and heavy, so we decided to get ourselves a new table for the RV. We ordered the table from Weekender Vans on Etsy and it got delivered fairly quickly. It's called a folding black hex lagoon table half-inch thick for camper vans and RVs if you're interested in getting your own. This creator makes various styles and sizes, so you may want to see what's available before purchasing. We got the black table because it went well with our gray, black, white color scheme, and the top of the table has a rubbery hex design that we hope will prevent things from sliding. It measures 28 inches by 21.5 inches, but the nice thing about it is it folds into a much smaller 14 inches by 21.5 inches size to take up less room when not in use. The old table measured 16 inches by 31 inches and didn't fold up, so was always in the way. Removing it was a hassle too because it just weighed so much. The new table is small enough that we don't foresee having to remove it at all, and even if we do, it's much lighter and manageable. I had to mount the lagoon table mount to the new table, which meant drilling pilot holes. I used some painter's tape to temporarily attach the lagoon mount to the table, then figured out where the best place to screw in the mount would be by spinning the table around in the van. It needed to be off-center to clear our bathroom wall. The old screws were too long for the half-inch thick table, so I bought some number 8 1/2-inch flathead Phillips wood screws that work just fine. You can see the old screw on the left and the new one next to it. Haven't used the table out in the field, as it were, but it looks good, seems to work, and is much lighter and flexible than the old table. Thanks for watching and be seeing you.